I absolutely love my life. I love the opportunity to be able to work from home and take breaks by playing in my garden. I'm grateful that I don't have to go rush to get in rush hour traffic. I can play with my blueberries. I'm grateful that I can look at my onions and check on my rosemary. I love my life. This basil looks amazing. I love this sage. The kale doesn't look too promising, but the basil and the parsley is popping. I love the opportunity to be able to sit at home and earn while I learn. I'm grateful for the opportunity that has come across my lap that allows me to earn money from home and earn while I learn. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to earn from home active and passive income. I'm truly grateful. I'm grateful for the opportunity and the resources to start and complete projects on my property. I'm very grateful to be surrounded by nature. I'm grateful to be able to study the plants and find out what we can eat and what we shouldn't eat. I'm very grateful, extremely grateful for my life.